The 2008 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, dual front airbags, four-wheel ABS, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, bed liner, MP3 capability, power windows, power door locks, chrome wheels, cloth seats, tilt steering wheel, power driver mirror, cup holders, tinted glass, vanity mirrors. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.